Fried flying fish with turmeric is a common dish in a daily frugal meal of people from central Vietnam. It's an inexpensive dish, but the flavor combination is just to die for. Let me show you how to make it. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need 1 kilogram of flying fish, 100 gram of fresh turmeric, chili, pepper, salt and stock powder, Asian shallot and củ nén, which is a special spice in central Vietnam. It looks like mini onion and is a hybrid between shallot and garlic. The flavor and smell is so unique. Firstly, remove the scale, the fin and the innards of the flying fish. Use kitchen shears to remove the backbone. Peel the fresh turmeric and combine in a mortar and pestle with the củ nén and the Asian shallots. Add a teaspoon of salt and crush finely. Then add pepper, stock powder, some more salt, and minced chilies. Mix well and spread this spice mix over the inside of the flying fish. Then fold the fish in half like a hamburger and leave to sit for about 15 minutes. Tie it up with a piece of banana leaf and fry until it's golden brown on both sides. Wow, it smells incredible! The fish will become so crispy on the outside with the soft and succulent meat inside. And the fragrance of all these Asian spices combined makes the dish a flavor of home. It's so good that you're gonna ask for more. And if you have tried this dish before, let me know in the comment section below. I will see you then in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!